out to dinner. They look good too. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. And as you can see, I'm up and it's 6:45 in the morning. Why am I up this early? Because I'm going back to school today. I'm going back to work. Today my school opens up. It opens up for teachers and staff, not for children. So they have us coming in early. They have us coming in this week. The kids don't start till next week, but we're coming in to get our classroom ready, to do in-services, and to get all our paperwork ready and everything. So that's why we get to go in earlier. And then on Monday, the kids will be returning. Don't come for me for what I'm about to say. It's what I like. I have Starbucks dark unsweetened coffee, but I put in Dunkin' Donuts pumpkin spice coffee creamer. It's delicious. Everything ain't always got to match. It's delicious. Just try it. So, having my coffee. I'm watching my girl Gina. Okay, I'm rambling. I need to rest. I got my quiet time back in the mornings. Not back, I should say, because I always get my time to myself in the morning, but not this early. So I'm trying to get back into my routine of getting up early, doing what I need to do, and getting off to work. So let's just pray that this day and this school year is wonderful. I know it will be. And I will see you guys later on. Hey, you guys. So I love it when my fiance calls me and says, meet me here and let's get some dinner. So let's find some shoes to put on because, you know, I had to take off them other shoes because my feet was hurting. So I'm just going to throw on some sneakers. We are going to a new hibachi grill over in Berlin. It's not new. Actually, it's new to me. I never been there. He wanted to go to Cracker Barrel, but that's too far, and I'm already home. So glad I didn't take my clothes off yet. Still got my earrings on. Whew, put my pants up. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're going out to dinner. There it is. Volcano steak and sushi. Oh, they have a special. Wait, what's today? Today is Tuesday. 30% off back for every dollar spent. Is today Tuesday? It is Tuesday. Okay. So we got a little deal going on. This is a little plaza. I've never been over here ever. There's a barber shop, a nail salon, look like a comic store. Behind me is a Chinese store, a Chinese restaurant, and a pizza place. So, yeah.
Too often, but maybe we can give it something. Baby, I cry all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. And no, I wouldn't wanna bleed. And my heart, my mind, my body. I don't know what it is.
Samara, knock knock. Cargo. No, cargo beep beep. That's so stupid.
I need the covers on the couch, and I put ice so bad.
I'm just running in and out of stores with my daughter. Now we're going into Lowe's. Now I'm going into Lowe's because my boyfriend or fiance and I are going to a winery next weekend, and I need a beach chair, like a chair with one of them umbrellas over the top so that we can sit comfortably basically, and not have to use our old ones. So let's see what they got in here. Well, the Halloween stuff is out. I'm in Lowe's and look how cute. That's scary. I love how big that is. Oh my God, I love it. You really should get a plant. Plants are so wonderful and they make your house look so nice. Hey, so your girl is back home, and before I take it down and, well, not lay down and go to sleep or nothing, but before I get to relax and do some editing, I want to show you what I got from the store today. So we went into Lowe's. We didn't buy anything because I couldn't find what I wanted. So we were like in and out of there. But when we went into Big Lots, I got some more cotton swabs, or cotton pads. Cotton pads I use to clean my face and stuff like that. Then I got some Q-tips. This is 500 Q-tips. Mark uses them. We all use them. I got this little cheap tripod, phone stand holder. It was only $2.50. You can always use the extra one. I can leave it in my car. I can put it, at work in my desk to have the extra one to, vlog whenever I need to. And I also got this. This is just a Target bag. In Jersey, we don't have plastic bags anymore, so we have these shopping bags from different stores. But anyway, also I got these sweatpants. These sweatpants were originally, here we go, $24. And then they scratched that off and they made them $9.98, but they were 75% off of the $9.98, so I only paid $2.49 for a cute pair of sweatpants, something I can wear around the house, something to just throw on to run to the store. I thought they were really cute. Pockets, drawstring. They would look cute with a pair of what do you call them? Sneakers. Ooh, hold on. Yeah, and they're extra large. If they don't fit, they were only $2.50. So I could always cut them, down here at the leg and make shorts. Again, something to wear around the house. Hey, y'all. It's Eagle time. I'm at my brother's house. Got my Eagle shirt on. He got some food and drinks, and we just chilling, watching the game. The Eagles just scored a touchdown. I'm about to make me a plate and sit back and chill, and I will catch you maybe at halftime.
Catch and a fumble, and that is going to be a catch and a fumble for sure. And big Jordan Davis, with the big punch out here and right there.
Today is Wednesday, September 13th. I just got off of work, and guess what? I am going to get some sushi, and I'm going over to my friend's house, and we're going to have just a chill day together. I haven't seen her since maybe about a week or so. So we're gonna have some drinks, get some sushi, catch up on some of our shows, and just catch up on just life. Just hang out and chill. Oh my God, the sun is sunning. Ooh. I'm sitting outside my friend's house on the porch. Had me a little drink, and I'm feeling good. She went to go get our sushi, and we're gonna have some sushi and watch some Ratchet TV. So, just enjoying the weather. Feels good out here. The sun is sunning.
Preparing.
That does look good. Oh, they give you rice? Is that rice? What is that?
That's the crunchy stuff on top.
OMG, well, I thought that was
ordered extra
rice.
crunchies.
Wontons, and those are the dumpling things.
For gyoza. It's gyoza.
I know this is California. This might be shrimp. This is the salmon. Okay. What's up, guys? How are you doing today? I'm just getting off of work, and I am sitting in the car, as you can see. Yesterday, I went to my friend's house and we had sushi for dinner. The sushi was so good. I ended up saving a few pieces, not enough to take to work today for lunch, and I shouldn't have really did that because just having 2 or 3 pieces to eat today at work made me want more. So guess what I did? Your girl went and got, it's pre-packaged, but some more sushi. This is how it looks. It's a shrimp spicy roll, and it has like some crunchy stuff on top. I don't know how it tastes. The one I had last night was a California roll, and the other type I had was called shrimp tempura. My 2 favorite ones. I'm not big on raw sushi, so it's like I eat sushi, but this is like fake sushi because sushi's raw and this isn't. And since this is spicy, I ended up getting just a drink out of there. They don't have like sodas and things like a normal store would do. They have all these different kind of creative things. So this is a San Pellegrino Italian sparkling drink, limonada. Just something to drink because, again, spicy. So let me get this open and we will taste it together. All right, you guys, I'm back. I know this is a really crazy angle. I don't like it myself, but I'm in the parking lot of my friend's job, and I'm waiting for her to come out. So I want to share. See, this is not even showing how good these look because the sun is shining so much. But I want to eat them. Anyway, it comes with a little sushi soy sauce pack. It has some ginger and wasabi in here too. It's cute. I'm probably just going to eat one and save the rest for later because this is an awkward position and this is not ideal place to vlog. There is no shade out here for me to like get under, to really, got my chopsticks. I don't really know how to work chopsticks 100%, but I do my best to get the food in my mouth. Okay. I am going to open the soy sauce. Sprinkle some on. Now this is spicy. So I'm going to open my drink. To have it ready. Clean the top off. I hope this is good. Don't want to break my nail. Not bad. Okay. So, here we go. I'm going to take a little wasabi, put it on top of this one. I should have did that actually because wasabi's already hot. So I'm going to try one with nothing on it to get the flavor. Ugh. Here we go. Okay, for one, it's not spicy at all. It is not spicy whatsoever. Very good, but not spicy. So yes, putting the wasabi on this one is good. And I'm gonna put a little piece of ginger on it. Make sure nobody's coming to my car. There's people outside walking around. So I'm gonna take one more piece. If it doesn't break. I don't like when they break. Let me hurry up. Come on, girl. Ugh, Jesus, I can't get it. It's good. It's cooked shrimp, spicy tuna, spicy California roll. Tuna. Why I keep saying tuna? Let me get this right. It's a shrimp California roll. One more. I keep saying one more. I'm still eating them. Good morning. We are going to a wine festival today, and the whole experience of this one time a year fabulous over the top wine festival is happening today, and we are all going. You and me, all of us. So I have been excited. I have been waiting for this for a few weeks now. We got our tickets. And we went and found some nice comfortable chairs last night, because you sit outside and you have your table, your chairs, and there's music and food and vendors. It's going to be an experience. It's early. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I have a group of family and friends that are at my table at the winery. So we're going to all meet up together. So that's the plan, and we're gonna have a good time, and we're gonna look cute, and we're gonna drink some wine, and we're gonna buy some more wine. So yeah, that is our plan. So I will see you in a minute. Let me get some things together, and then we're gonna start rocking and rolling for the day. I haven't really figured out what I want to wear today. I got this outfit here, not the pants. I got this short set outfit from Shein. You have the shorts, they're nice and thin. You have the little shawl cover up thing that you put over it, and I guess you can just put a white tee with it with some white sandals, but I don't really care too much for the shorts. They are not form-fitting at all. They look like boy shorts or something, so I don't want to wear those. I was going to wear these capris with this, and then find a top and some shoes that might match. We have the nice pattern here. The weather's only going to be about 79, so this is nice and cool. And the pants match. Now over here, I got kind of the similar outfits, but I don't think I'm going to put these on. But these are white pants, really cute. Oh, look how I'm dressed. These are white pants. They're short. They kind of come to the ankle. And I love these because these stay white. Like, I love these. I've had these for a while, and look how white they still are. And I'm just going to wear this. This has flowers on it. It's another one like that, but this didn't come from Shein. I've had this for many years. I don't know where it came from. If I can remember, I'll try to link it. I know they probably don't have any more. If I can remember what store. But anyway, this is really pink, flowy, and colorful. I was going to put this pink top with it. Maybe these pants here and some sandals. So these are my two choices. I might find another one, but we shall see. So let me just see if I can find some more things to put together, because I'm not too sure about this. Maybe I'll do a little try on to see which one looks better. I'm back. So yeah, right now I'm just sitting on the bed relaxing. I do have to stop at the grocery store or either Walmart to pick up some things that we're taking to the winery with us. You're allowed to bring in food, and everybody that's in my group is bringing something to add to the table. They do have vendors out there, and food vendors and arts and craft vendors, jewelry vendors, stuff like that. But, you know, as we walk around and everything, stuff is going to be kind of expensive. So we all decided to bring a little snack, some fruit, some chips and stuff like that to our table. So as we're drinking wine, we can snack a little bit and then maybe go get some real food from the vendors, because there will be different vendors out there. Food vendors too. But I'm just sitting on the bed. I did my hair last night, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, this is the same color hair that I just took out. It's not the same hair. Now let me explain. The hair I had in my head was this crochet hair, but it was short. It was like 12 inches, 12 to 14 inches. This right here, honey, 24 inches. That's my kind of hair. So I took my hair out last night, washed it, cornrowed it back, and put the 24 inches in. I love this hair, but I didn't like it short. So I had to end up taking that out, doing it over, and I'll take my scarf off and everything and do my little baby hairs, and you'll see the full effect. But right now, it's just tied up. Yep, looking cute. Do my eyebrows later. I look a mess right now because I actually just woke up and grabbed the phone. So, hope you guys are already enjoying the vlog and anticipating on this fun day. And I will definitely see you guys soon. Okay guys, gotta do a really quick outfit check because I'm running late. Did my hair, told you it was cute, nice and long, 24 inches. I have on a pink top, like a t-shirt, white pants, white shoes, and I got this flower cover up to like bring everything together. I have on gold jewelry, gold earrings, gold necklace. I have these Shein bracelets that are really cute. So that's what I'm rocking today. Yes, I'm ready to go. Oh, and I'm just going to carry my black pocketbook, but I don't know where it's at. Oh, that one right there. That's all. Oh, and I have this chain here I got from Shein. I will link all the jewelry down below if you would like to purchase it. All right, let's go to the festival.
And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Or maybe you can give us something. Baby, I cry all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I'm still checking with you.
Hello.
Where's girl in there?
Yeah.
Thank
Don't
you.
forget a wine glass.
Okay. Got my wine glass. She probably trying to get her ticket. You got your ticket out? All right, we here. A lot of people. Look at all the wine glasses. So when you first get here, get your little wristband, get your little wine glass, and head and find yourself a spot. They have an outside area where you can have a little party if you wanted to. This is really cute. Fire pit.
Put it like this. Okay. So look.
This looks like another area over here. They have little stand-up tables where you can sit and watch the events going on under the shade. They have some fans. It feels really good underneath here. But we are going out that way. The sun gonna go down, but no, it's not, because it's over at 4.
You like that though? We sit here. The music, somebody can move it back there.
They ain't set up over there. This is our little setup. Got a little table. That's my new chair. We got a couple of snacks on the table.
Hey.
Hi. Oh, you look nice.
Damn, that smells so good. You want to smell that smash?
All right, guys, let me chat with y'all for a minute. We're at the wine festival, as you can see, looking cute. I did not opt to get a tent, and I did not find a chair that has the little umbrella thing over the top. So, of course, we're out here a little bit warm because the sun is like right there. Don't know when it's going down, but chilling, relaxing, is a cool breeze. We haven't walked to see any of the vendors yet because from where we parked and had to walk and get our tickets and our wine glass and everything, it was kind of a walk, so we just sat down and chilled for a minute. My daughter and my aunt went to walk around, and we'll get up there soon, but it's really cool out here. Everybody's having a good time.
Call me soon as you get here.
Can't wait to see what kind of food they got. I wish we got here where we could get underneath like the tree a little bit closer because we have no shade. We could not bring tents. That would have been perfect, but you had to rent a tent, and the tents were like a couple $100, so we opted not to do that. But now we are here, and we're gonna make the best of it. So let's go. All right, this is the first stop, Steak of the Sea. Okay, this is nice. They look good too.
And what is that over there? That
Crab cakes? I can tell, yes. Out here. Crab cake ball.
you want to hear? Do your thing.
It looks good. It's a crab cake. What you got on it?
I got ketchup, a little bit of tartar sauce, and whatever that white stuff.
That's tartar sauce, the white stuff.
Yeah, all right. So and ketchup.
All right.
And if y'all can subscribe to my channel.
Wait,
What? I want some followers.
I'm gonna bite it first.
Look, get that picture of that crab. Look at that crab meat, y'all. That's good. Is it good? I told him to cook it.
Babe, it's soft, but it's very good.
But I wanted to cook it.
It's soft, but it's so good. Like you know, but it's soft. But it's
Hold on.
not bad.
I'm in heaven right now.
Yeah, you see what I mean? Like, but it's not a hard taste.
Damn.
It's soft. It's good. That's good. Now it's time to try some of this wine.
Sweet what? Chardonnay?
Chardonnay.
You got your paper?
Oh, we're not on the pan.
It's nice.
Oh.
How much is that for a bottle of that?
This is good. Blueberry wine at Di Matteo. That's where we are.
Yeah, here you go, bro. When you get a chance. Look at the mix though. Have we had that one before?
We have them in our house, babe. That's the one we brought with the trio.
Can we try that? Oh, his hand hurts.
Hey, that's the one with the three in the bottle. Remember we brought those?
Yeah, but we ain't never had it mixed.
No.
Whenever you get a chance.
All right, I know that's right.
Yeah, we ain't never had this mixed. We got this wine at the house.
We do.
Oh,
I like
yeah.
that mixed.
How much is in a bottle?
Brought.
I think it's but you can get 2 for I think 30.
Oh, 2? Y'all don't got the deal with the 3? You buy 3 bottles?
Yeah, you can buy 3 bottles, but it's in that side.
Oh, that's okay. That's what they have our little wedding. That's all. Yeah, so that's all.
When do you guys get married?
We ain't to the date yet.
Thank you very much. That's awesome. And I'll have the same.
So you know, I'm a Cancer. Boop.
Nice. Wait, where's mine?
You didn't buy one yet.
But I said, where's my candle? I'm a Sagittarius. Where we at? Rob's Nutsack. Rob's Nutsack. It's nuts. It's food.
Sorry, baby.
Your fiance ready to punch on you?
Yeah.
But listen, she's so beautiful, she won't let you live together.
Cutting up.
Okay. It's not super spicy
Maple.
though. I don't know if you like sweet. It's cayenne peppers.
Alright, friends. Look at the line for the bathroom. But the bathrooms are there. Oh, I hate when people's in my way. So, we got about 7 porta potties. Long ass line.
That's real dry.
Oh!
I'm not a dry person.
No, we just, but it ain't that bad.
Whatever you're pouring, we'll try. You gotta stay away from the reds.
I didn't try the original. I tried the Italian.
That one's here, and then the Italian's on the other side.
Italian was good.
Is this hot? Oh, mild.
No, you'll be okay. The joke? Let me try it.
Sorry.
Are you sure he has one?
Jewelry. Oh, her crystals. Nice. Guess the party's over when the ice gets poured out.